Hello, in this video I want to show you how to restore your account in Call of Duty Mobile. And to do this, it depends on which option you've picked on the login screen. If you choose the Call of Duty, then click on it and it should transfer you to the Call of Duty website. Here click on Forget Your Password, enter the email address that you've been using for the account and you'll be able to recover your account. Now the next option is a Facebook, and this is quite simple. Just log into the same Facebook account that was selected in the first place. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.